Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 3 in my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this golden star. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Sugar Rush. Then I'll be stamping with Inkwell, and I'll be filling in the stars using coin toss. For today's stamping, we're going to be using the MoYou London Kaleidoscopic Collection 04 plate, and we're going to be using this star design here, although I'm not going to be using the outside. Since I don't want this chunky exterior, once I have it on my stamper, I'm going to use my scraper to just quickly pick up the edges, and as long as you go quickly, it's not too bad. Once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in, but since I've got 2 accent nails, I'm actually going to get another stamper and do 2 at once. Once the filled in stamps are dry, I'm going to go ahead and stamp them onto my nail. You don't want to go too early because if it's not fully dry, it might not fully transfer. Since it is dry and my nails are also dry, I'm going to use just a small amount of a tacky base coat to make the transfer easier. In this case, I'm using Holo Taco Long Lasting Base. I'm going to be aiming the point toward the tip of my nail, and I'm just going to go ahead and line it up pretty much centered and go ahead and stamp it on. Once I'm done with the stamping, I'm going to go ahead and do my usual cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. I was originally planning to use a different stamping plate with the same color scheme, but when I actually started doing my testing, I decided that I really didn't like the plate, and I ended up going with this star design instead. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate this holo glitter. But if you'd like to see all that testing as well as the extended tutorial, that will be up tomorrow on my VOD channel, as it also contains day 4. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.